Understanding the Code of Conduct. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring an important and widely used term, Code of Conduct. Whether in schools, workplaces, or various communities, understanding what a Code of Conduct means can help us navigate social and professional environments more effectively. So, let's break it down together. A code of conduct is essentially a set of rules, principles, and standards that govern the behavior of individuals within a group, organization, or community. It outlines the expectations for behavior, the organization's core values, and, importantly, the consequences for failing to meet those standards. Think of it as a roadmap for how to act and interact within specific settings, ensuring respect, integrity, and professionalism are upheld. Understanding the importance of a code of conduct helps us see why it's so widely implemented. It promotes a positive and respectful environment. By setting clear expectations, a code of conduct encourages behaviors that contribute to a healthy and productive atmosphere. Protects the interests of all members. It ensures that everyone's rights are respected and protected, preventing discrimination, harassment, and other unethical behaviors. Guides decision-making. In complex situations, it serves as a guideline for making decisions that align with the group or organization's values and goals. Codes of conduct can vary greatly depending on the context. For example, schools may have a code of conduct focusing on academic honesty, respect among students and teachers, and the consequences of bullying. Workplaces often implement codes of conduct that cover professional behavior, confidentiality, and conflict of interest policies. Online communities might have rules about acceptable language, content sharing, and interactions to maintain a safe and respectful virtual space. Adopting a code of conduct involves 1. Creating clear and accessible guidelines, ensuring that everyone understands the expectations and the rationale behind them. 2. Training and education, providing members with the tools and knowledge to follow the code of conduct effectively. 3. Enforcement and accountability, establishing a fair process for addressing violations, which may include warnings, sanctions, or other disciplinary actions. Thank you for joining us as we explored the meaning and importance of the code of conduct. Whether you're stepping into a new school, joining a workplace, or becoming part of a community, understanding these guidelines can help you navigate these spaces confidently and respectfully. We hope this video has illuminated the significance of codes of conduct and how they contribute to more harmonious and productive environments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the English language. See you in the next video.